Print analogs are used for a precise transfer of the digital implant position into a physical 3D printed model. Before inserting the print analog into the model, the screw is inserted from below and fixed with the screwdriver Micro TX by 2 counterclockwise turns. To avoid the screw from being screwed in too deep, ensure that the step remains visible. After that, insert the print analog into the 3D printed model, ensuring the flat side of the analog aligns exactly with the corresponding model recess for anti-rotation protection. Make sure the lower edge of the print analog's chamfer aligns precisely with the edge of the opening in the model. Finally, tighten the screw into the print analog using the screwdriver, either clockwise from above or counterclockwise from below. At this point, the spacers open, allowing the analog to sit securely in the model.